Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We would like to take this time to thank all of our subscribers and viewers. It's our 200th video, and without your support, we could not be here. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. Today we're going to be making some delicious veggie nuggets. First, we're going to heat a pan and dry roast some instant oats for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat until a nice aroma comes. Remove and set it aside. Add boiled and grated sweet potato. You can use regular potatoes, but we want to use sweet potatoes because they are a very much healthier option. Grated cauliflower. Grated carrots. Finely chopped beans. Grated paneer. This is optional, but you can also use crumbled tofu if you prefer. Chopped cilantro. Minced garlic. Mix well. Add in crushed fennel seeds, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, chaat masala, garam masala, red chili powder, salt for taste, and mix well. Add in the roasted oats and mix well. If your mixture is slightly wet, you can add 2 more tablespoons of oats. Now, let's take a small portion and form into small patties. Repeat the same procedure. Now our nugget patties are formed. Let's make a water and flour mixture to coat the nuggets and roll it well on the roasted oats. This gives our nuggets a crispy texture, and honestly, I love this texture. Repeat the procedure with all of the nuggets. Place them on a lined baked tray and air fry at 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Alternately, you can deep fry, shallow fry, or even oven bake these nuggets. If you're going to oven bake them, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the nuggets look crispy brown.
Remove
and enjoy this delicious and healthy air-fried nuggets with your favorite dips. We're using green chili chutney and ketchup. Once again, thank you all so much. We really appreciate all the support and love you have given us, and we really hope you enjoyed this amazing, delicious recipe. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below, and we'll be happy to make them. If you like our channel, please
like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye guys!